Okay, so moving on. X minus 2 is greater than 4. Write that down in your math journal. X minus 2 is greater than 4. That greater than symbol is just like an equal sign. So underneath it, we're going to draw a line. And then we're going to circle the variable. Now, what is happening to X? What is happening to X? It's being subtracted by 2. So we're going to add 2 to both sides. So now we're ready for our answer. X minus 2 plus 2 is 0. I'm going to make a 0 out of it and slash it. Now bring down that greater than symbol. And then over here we have 6. Now we're going to take it one step further. We're going to graph our answers. Because X is anything greater than 6. Anything greater than 6. So X can be, actually X can't even be 6. It's not equal to 6. It's just greater than 6. So it could be 6.1, 6 1/2, could be 7, could be 1,000,000, could be 10. So there's actually a solution set. There's a whole set of numbers that that would satisfy this inequality. And so we make a number line in your math journal. We're gonna make a number line. We need 6 on a number line. And then I'm gonna go 2 steps up from 6 and 2 steps behind 6. So 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna go backwards. What's before 6? 5 and 4. So I'm gonna put 5 numbers on my number line with 6 being in the middle. Now, greater than, X is greater than 6. Watch what I'm gonna do. X is greater than 6. I'm gonna go to the 6. I'm gonna put a circle on 6. But I'm gonna leave the circle what we call open. You leave it open, don't shade it in. It is open, okay? Because X cannot be 6. It cannot be 6, it's just gotta be greater than 6. So 6 is like the number that we mark, but we don't fill it in like we normally do the points and we fill in the dot. Don't do that. But we want to show that X is any number greater than 6. So on the greater than side, the numbers that get bigger than 6, we shade them in with your pencil. Kind of shade it in a little bit darker and shade in the arrow. And that shows that the X can be 6.5, it can be 7, 7.5, 8, 9, 10. With that arrow shaded in, it could go forever and ever and ever. And that is the answer. Actually, this combined right here, the X is greater than 6 and the number line is the answer to this question. Okay, we're gonna do one more. I think I'll just keep going. X over 9 is greater than or equal to 1. So let's write that down. X over 9 is less than or equal to 1. I think I said greater than, but that's the less than symbol. It's pointing to the left. Notice this one. This one says less than or equal to. Okay, let's solve it. Draw your line under your less than or equal to sign. Draw a line under it. Now, circle your variable. I'm gonna circle the whole thing. What is happening to X? What's happening to X? It is being divided by 9. So we're gonna multiply by 9 and make sure you multiply the X up here on the top. X multiplied by 9, and then we need to multiply by 9 on the other side. So multiply by 9, multiply by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So I'm gonna slash it kind of in the shape of a 1. And so that leaves me with X is less than or equal to, bring that sign down. 1 times 9 is 9. X is less than or equal to 9. Just like solving the one-step equations, except we are using this symbol, less than or equal to, instead of the equal to sign that we were using yesterday. Now we're going to graph it on a number line. Because X can be a million different numbers. X can be 9. X can be 8. It can be 8.5. It could be 7. It could be 6. It could be 0. It could be a negative number. So many numbers. Okay, on my number line, I've got to create the number line. I'm going to put the 9 on there because that's my key point, the 9. Now I'm just going to go up a couple of numbers, 10, 11. I'm going to go down a couple of numbers, 8, 7. All right, so I'm going to put the 9, I'm going to put a circle at 9. Now, because X is equal to 9, this time I'm going to shade in the circle. I'm going to make it a solid point. Let's go back and look at this one. This one was an open circle because X was greater than 6, but not equal to 6. So that one was the open circle. X cannot be 6. It has to be something more than 6. It could be 6.1. It could be 6.01, 6.001. It has to be more than 6. Over here, X can be equal to 9 because we've got the extra line right there. X can be equal to 9. So we shade it in because it can be 9. But it can also be all the numbers less than 9. So we're going to shade in all the numbers to the left that are less than 9. So it can be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, can be 0. And this is your answer. The number line and the X is less than or equal to 9. Okay, I've got a practice sheet. I'm going to let you practice. Try the best you can. Okay, you got this.